In this video, I'll show you how to combine this necklace we just finished so we can inspire you how to wear our products. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We are also involved in slow fashion, and we are also involved into creating house accessories. So, if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please hit the subscribe button below. This necklace is based on black and silver color. So black is one of the colors that you can really make it go with anything, and it goes with any color. That's the whole beauty of it. So I want to kickstart this combination with silver, and I want to downtone a little bit, make it a bit more fun. So hence I'm bringing these two into this combination, and I will also maybe get this. So these earrings, so natural stone bracelets and earrings. So as you see, it's based mostly onto the silver ground, ivory, and just a bit of downtoning with this ivory and this off-white. So what outfit would you wear this with? Usually it goes to within the color theme, so that means that it goes very well with black, with silver, or different kinds of shades of black and silver. And I would prefer especially with black and silver mate, which will be great. And also you, for a classic combination, you also can wear with off-white and off-grays to go with this one. So that's your classic combination. Then if you want to spice up your combination a little bit more, then as you see, you always can wear black, but you can wear it with in here with light cold colors such as light pink, light purple, light lilac, and also it goes off with blue as well with light blues. So it goes with light blues. That's our first combination. We'll just take this off and grab another combination. So the next one, I prefer the color black theme, completely classic demonstration. So I'm bringing these elements into this combination. This is a wood and semi-precious or natural stones bracelet, and this is a designer wood earrings. So as you see, it is much within the green theme, and the black and silver theme. So what color would you use it with? You would use it as usual with black color, with silver matte, and this is like a white off-white color, which is, it makes it really good one, which will go with the silver element in there. If you want to spice it up, then because all the colors in here are black and silver, but mostly black, then you really can spice up with pinks, all kinds of shades of pinks, all kinds of shades of purple and lilac. It'll make it a fantastic combination. And the last combination will be with these colors. So I've chosen something in the element of pink, purple and salmon, just to spice up things up a notch. So all these accessories will make a fantastic combination for this necklace. So what to wear it with? in order for us to keep things as much as classic, you can wear with black, silver and matte, and also Salmon will make a classic but a little bit more on the spice side of the continuum. Then if you want to spice things up, then all the colors that are within the combination will spice it up, like this sugar pink, this hot pink, this lilac pink, and this lilac itself will make things a lot spicier. So the end note is we have made this into 3 different color themes. The first one was silver and ivory theme with black and silver. The second one was black and silver, and the third one is black, silver and lilac and pinks. Where would you wear this outfit? You can wear this outfit, especially in the classic knot. Wear it in the office. You look perfectly beautiful. Then if you want to spice along things with the other combinations, yes, you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it for dinner. You can wear it to go out in nightclubs, in discos. The sky is the limit. So one more time, my name is Juliana. I'm from One Gift World. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay humble and wonderful.